Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay guys, today this video is about this video is about why I make bed bug videos. Okay, the reason that I do and I make the bed bug videos, number one and first and foremost, is to help people. I have had bed bugs before and I know what they could do to you mentally. And for people who have never had bed bugs, will never understand the impact that these bugs can have on a person's life. They can literally drive you crazy. They can literally drive you insane, literally. And when I had bed bugs back in the day, back in 2018, and I went online to try and seek things, it was a little bit of stuff out about it, but it wasn't really they wasn't really telling you anything. Most everything wanted you to purchase things, and it just wasn't enough information. So I just dug and came across certain things. And one day, I had already gotten rid of bed bugs when I made that first video. I had, I had gotten rid of them, but the impact was still there because the place that I was living in, when I got them, I got rid of them before I moved. And I had found out that other people in the building had them, which they did not tell anybody, which I just don't think is fair. But a lot of people still don't tell people that they have bed bugs in their buildings or wherever. So once I got rid of them and made sure they were gone, then I started looking for a place to live. And this is where I am now. When I moved here, I still was, you have the documentation that you still put the stuff down and things like that, but it's always in the back of your mind. Anytime you get bit by anything, like it could be a mosquito bite or another type of bug bite, it could just be a reaction to something that might bring up a little bump on you that may itch or something. But everything that happens to you after that point, anything that has a bump on it, you automatically think it's a bed bug. You're looking around, you're itching all the time. I'm gonna have to find how to do something with this tripod because I'm always kicking it now in my videos. But it's like they're always in your mind. They're always in your mind. And I remember doing that first bed bug video, I was scratching so much that people still thought I had them, but just talking about them had me itchy and creepy. But it just stick with you because when I moved here, I had no bed bugs. I still don't. And I've been here about, going on 4 years, I believe. But I made the video when I got here because it was still on my mind. It was still in my head. And like I said, putting the powder down everywhere. And I don't do bugs, period. I don't do bugs, period. But when you talking about a bed bug, this is beyond a regular bug. Just like they say the fleas and stuff bite and stuff too. And I have stuff on my in my playlist of bed bugs about fleas and stuff too. But I've been a victim of bed bugs. And let me tell you, it's no walk in the park. It's not a regular little bit, but little bites. These things don't stop coming. They don't stop coming. And the crazy part is they run to you. I mean, they charge at you. And to be so little, guys, for you that don't know how little these bugs are, they so tiny. But they pack a big punch. And I hear a lot of people also saying that certain people in their home get bit and certain people don't. Everybody's getting bit. Everybody's getting bit. If you in that place, you getting your blood and you sleeping in there, you getting bit. Everybody just don't have a reaction. That's why a lot of people have these bugs for so long before they find out and don't realize they got them. Then when they do, it's a major infestation. It's because nobody's allergic to the bites. Nobody's as sensitive to the bites. So it might just take somebody to come over and spend the night or whatever. Then be like, man, what you got in your house? I got all these bites and stuff on me. You like, oh, I ain't nothing in my house. And then eventually you start looking around and you find you got bed bugs. Or moving into a new apartment, a new home, renting or whatever. And these things travels, okay? They stick to you like glue. You can pick them up from anywhere. I don't care where you go. You can think it's the cleanest place in the world. It could be the cleanest place in the world. But as I let people know, bed bugs ain't after cleanliness or dirtiness. They're just after blood. So be mindful that you can pick them up from anywhere. Anywhere. Do you guys remember that saying years ago, good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite? Never knew what that meant. I just remember it used to be said sometimes by your parents. And then you say it to other people, good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. And now, that thing is so real, it is really a good night. The good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite type of deal. Because when they stop biting, you can't even sleep. You up all night. All day. When you fall asleep, you might just doze off. But you ain't laying down falling no sleep. You're going to try to stay up as long as you possibly can. So that's why I create these videos. You know, and I hear a lot of people coming to the videos now, and my comments saying, you need to make this into a business. You could be a millionaire. And, you know, I get so many different things. And what really, really, really touches my heart is those success stories of the people who get rid of them, who said they had them for a long time and never could get rid of them. And then they did what I said, and like maybe a month later or less or whatever, they're not getting bit anymore, and they're going to keep continuing it. That's what warms my heart. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea of how great that feels, just to know that I'm able to help someone. I had no links in my videos or nothing. I was just telling people what I did, and even what I didn't do, because I've done so much research. I feel like I feel like a consultant, which I actually am. I feel like a bed bug consultant now because I've done so much research outside of what I experienced on my own. And I now have links in my videos for purchase now for Amazon, and I'm actually thinking about manufacturing or marketing some diatomaceous earth and things. I'm thinking about it, but I do want a business, and I am working on 2 businesses now, and about to let something go because I'm just trying to see which one would be a better fit for me in my situation. But I'm thinking about it, maybe marketing the product. I was hoping that some makers of diatomaceous earth would reach out to me and sponsor me because of how much you know, how much I don't want to say praise, because only praise should go to God, but how much I speak on their product, but no one have. Yeah, but I do it because I know the impact that it can have on someone's life. And for those of you who don't have bed bugs, who might end up watching this video, don't ever think that it couldn't happen to you. Because some people be like, are they talking about a bug? I'm not going to hear about no bug. If you ever get that hit from it, you will see that little bug, it seems and feel like more than just a bug. It really does. So I'm going to end it right here, guys. But that's why I do what I do. Excuse me, that's the sound of my dryer stopping. But that's why I do what I do. That's why I create the videos. That's why I answer people comments 2, 3, 4 in the morning. If I'm awake and somebody sends a comment, I'm answering it. When I open my eyes and I get up at wee hours in the morning to use the restroom, bathroom, and I see I got 3 or 4 comments, I'm answering those comments. I am. And that's what I do. So, yep, there you have it. That's why I That's why that's why I make these bed bug videos and why I created them. It's just simply to help you. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.